So Barry's a cave dweller. He lives in the cracks in the rocks over there. An ambush predator. He's got a turn of speed over a very short distance. And he swallows his prey. He doesn't chew it, he doesn't have a whole row of big teeth. He just swallows them. So you saw that enormous mouth. He inhales whatever he eats and just swallows it whole. I'm gonna give you all I got. Oh yes I will do anything it takes, and I won't give up until you have all you need. I'm gonna sweat and bleed, yes I will. At any moment, place and any time, I'm always open, it's never closing time. Not gonna let you down, I'm gonna go. He's just about coming up the stairs. Oh, you got a good bit.